Woo. So when I bought this kayak, they gave me some free pedals. Nothing big, nothing expensive. I mean, I looked at them and they were cheap, $5. Well, it's nothing big. As long as you have some pedals to move you, that will work. So I'll be showing you what I'm gonna do to this boat, and it's not gonna look the same when I show you again. That dot right there, you can't see it. That dot right there, I'm putting this mount. I do film with my phone, putting a waterproof case on it, protective more mount, changing this, and so if I do flip, the phone will still be on there, still work, waterproof case on it. Also, you can comment down below what kind of phone cases are waterproof. What will suggest you what's the best one. Also got some broad holders. I will be putting them in these dots, as you can see. I will put them there. I will be putting that in the video. Other than that, I mean, have cup holder, storage compartment, nice seat. I mean, it's not all comfortable, but it'll work. These, let me see, those pedals, I have to put them all the way up because I'm kind of short. I mean, this boat is nothing big, or this kayak is nothing big. Well, the height is 11 feet and a half, so it's pretty not much of a big kayak. Width 32 inches, length 10, and well, weight, I mean, it is a 45-pound kayak, which is not heavy at all. I mean, well, bass boats are better, but I mean, as I said, I'm kind of a kayak guy. Well, at the time, I never had a kayak. Let's put it like that. But kayaks seem kind of cool to me. I mean, I love kayaks, so they look awesome on the racks. Had to get one, so I got one. Make my dream come true. And I mean, I've just been cutting yards constantly so I can make my YouTube channel better. So as I said before, smash that subscribe button. Show me some love down in the comment section below, and I'll be rigging this kayak up for you. And 1, 2, 3. Well, folks, I did it. I rigged up my boat. As you can see, my dad, he's bush hogging, horse pen. Also couldn't find the right machine to drill in here, right there. Couldn't find the right machine, even though I did rigged up the boat with some fishing rod holders. Also, I will be doing an awesome edit showing you the boat. So, no further questions, let's get started. So that'll be it for today, guys. I just got done editing the video. I edited on my phone. As you can see, it's dark time. It's just so I'll just feed my dog. He needs food. Feed him every night. So it's the reason why I made laundry room is because it is. That is why I made a laundry room. Everybody's almost asleep. My dad, my mom, brother, sister, about everybody's asleep. So hope you enjoy this video. Press that like button, subscribe button, notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. So